I'm Josh Green with Eastern Title and Settlement. Just wanted to say hi, see how you guys are doing out there. You know, it's been a while since we've seen some of our clients. We're actually on day 49 of lockdown. Started on March 13th. You know, we just got in our new shipment of branded gloves for your real estate agents out there. If you want some, email us, josh@easterntitle.com. We still have sanitizer if you need it. We just got a new shipment in. We're looking to get rid of it. We're looking to give it away to you guys. We have plenty of gloves, plenty of sanitizers. We have masks coming in that are reusable cloth masks. They should be in here about a week or two, and we can deliver them to your house. Just send us your address, what you need, and what we're doing is they're called the Realtor Protective Gear bags, hashtag RPG. So, you know, if you want to see what we're doing, you can look over there and see some of the stuff that we got. You can go to @EasternTitle on Instagram. You can see some of our posts that we have with some of our supplies that we can give out. Other than that, our settlements are killing it. Our settlement agents are out there showing up to people's houses. They're doing the settlements with our picnic tables, folding tables, with our chairs. They're doing them outside. They're doing them in garages. They're doing them through our drive-through downstairs. They're doing them in our lobby. You know, everybody wants to know if you can do virtual closings. Yes, you can, but you know what you also have to realize is the other person on the end who's your client, whether the buyer, seller, or if it's a refinance, you know, the person refinancing, they have to have the technology. They have to have the camera and the microphone because they have to be able to interact with us. So before you call us and ask us if we can do it, check with your clients and make sure they have the software, because we went and we bought new cameras and microphones for all our staff. And what we didn't think about is that the other person needs it before you need to worry about us. So make sure your clients have that accessibility. You also want to make sure that your lenders will accept an electronic package. A lot won't. So, you know, those are some of the things that we're finding out through this process that we have to work through. Is you have to have your lender's approval. The client has to have a camera and a computer that they can virtually use actually and sign the documents. And you know, I personally, as the owner of Eastern Title, am licensed to do virtual closings. This is my token that's given to you for Virginia closings. So we have our digital signatures for Maryland and Virginia. DC has not done it yet. As soon as they will, we'll give you that update. Other than that, like and subscribe down here and comment. Tell me what you guys want to hear about. You know, we're here to try to give you more information, not less. We want you to know everything that's going on in our world. You know, we hear that our competition is sending out emails, and we feel that this video is the way to go, and that's what we're going to be doing every week if you've been following.